Now today we are going to exploring what drains your car battery when it's off. So without wasting any time, let's explore it. There are several factors that can drain your car battery when it's off. One common culprit is leaving your headlights, interior lights, or other electrical devices on. These can quickly drain the battery if left on for an extended period of time. Another possible cause is a faulty or old battery that is no longer able to hold a charge effectively. If your battery is more than 3 years old, it may be time to replace it. In addition, certain electrical components in your car, such as an aftermarket stereo or alarm system, may draw power from the battery even when the car is not running. Finally, extreme weather conditions, such as cold temperatures, can also drain the battery more quickly.